The prone position is one of the most stable and widely used shooting stances in competitive shooting sports. It's typically employed in rifle competitions like biathlon, Olympic rifle shooting, or long-range shooting, where the shooter lies flat on their stomach, with the rifle supported by the ground and aiming at a target. Science behind the prone shooting position. The prone position offers a high degree of stability, which is essential for accurate shooting. Let's break down the key aspects from a scientific and biomechanical perspective. Stability. Center of gravity. When lying prone, your body is aligned with the Earth's gravitational pull, which helps lower your center of gravity and makes the shooter more stable. Contact points. The shooter's body creates multiple points of contact with the ground, hands, elbows, feet, and sometimes the cheek, creating a solid platform for the rifle. Minimized movement. With proper technique, the shooter's body minimizes involuntary movement, such as breathing or muscle tremors, that can affect the shot. Muscle control. Core and arm strength. The core muscles play a key role in maintaining stability in the prone position, especially the lower back, abdomen, and upper thighs. The arms must remain steady to support the rifle. Minimizing fatigue. Holding the rifle in a stable position requires muscle endurance, especially in the shoulders, arms, and hands. Fatigue in these muscles can lead to shakiness and poor accuracy, so muscle control and endurance training are key. Sight alignment and focus. Sight alignment is crucial, where the rear and front sights are properly aligned on the target. Proper sight picture and focus on the target rather than the front sight will increase accuracy. Parallax adjustment. Ensuring that your scope's parallax, if you're using a scoped rifle, is properly adjusted for the distance to the target is crucial to prevent error in sighting. What to practice to win a competition? To excel in shooting competitions using the prone position, you need to develop several key skills. Positioning and body alignment. Set up correctly. Your body should form a natural, comfortable line with the rifle, where the body is relaxed but stable. The rifle should be directly in line with your shoulder, with minimal muscle tension. Leg and elbow placement. Your legs should be splayed out, with knees slightly bent to maintain balance. The elbows should rest on the ground, ideally under the rifle to provide support, while the body remains relaxed. Cheek weld. Your cheek should firmly rest on the stock of the rifle, ensuring consistent sight alignment and comfort. Breathing control. Breathing control is one of the most critical aspects of shooting. Ideally, you should fire during the natural respiratory pause, when your lungs are at rest, typically after exhaling. This reduces body movement caused by breathing and helps stabilize your aim. Breathing technique. Practice slow, deep breaths. Inhale fully, exhale slowly, and hold the breath briefly at the end of the exhalation to fire. Avoid shallow, rapid breaths that can cause tremors. Trigger control. Proper trigger control is essential. The trigger must be squeezed smoothly with steady, consistent pressure. Avoid jerking the trigger, which can pull the rifle off target and ruin the shot. Practice surprise shots. When you pull the trigger, you shouldn't anticipate the shot, but rather let it happen naturally as part of the rhythm of your breathing and body position. Mental focus and visual tracking. Concentration. Developing mental focus is critical in shooting sports. This includes staying calm under pressure, maintaining concentration on the target, and shutting out distractions. Visualization. Many competitive shooters practice mental imagery, visualizing the perfect shot and focusing on the sensations of the rifle and the target. Muscle endurance and strength. Practice holding the prone position for extended periods to build up endurance. This reduces fatigue during competition, especially in events with long shooting times. Strengthen core and arm muscles to hold the rifle steady, especially your forearms, shoulders, and back muscles. Equipment familiarity and maintenance. Make sure your rifle, sights, and ammunition are in good condition. Regular maintenance of your equipment ensures smooth functioning during competitions. Get familiar with the sight picture and reticle, crosshairs, adjusting for windage, elevation, and other variables like temperature or humidity, which can affect the bullet's trajectory. Wind and environmental factors. Learn how to read wind. Wind can greatly affect a bullet's flight path. It's essential to practice adjusting your sights to account for wind direction and strength. Understand the impact of temperature, humidity, and altitude on bullet ballistics. Training tips. Dry firing practice. Practice the mechanics of trigger control, breathing, and position without ammunition to develop muscle memory. Range practice. Regularly practice on the shooting range, both at short and long distances, to build experience in different conditions. Use of a shooting diary. Keep track of your performance, noting changes in equipment, environment, and technique for continuous improvement. Mental and psychological preparation. Stay calm under pressure. Competing can bring stress, so practice mindfulness, focus techniques, and relaxation exercises before competitions. Confidence. Develop a mental routine before taking each shot to reduce nerves and enhance focus. Common mistakes to avoid. Muscle tension. Don't grip the rifle too tightly or tense up during the shot. Relax and let the body move with the shot. Rushing the shot. Take your time and don't force a shot. Focus on alignment, breathing, and trigger control. Ignoring environmental factors. Always consider wind and light conditions, which can affect accuracy. To summarize, the prone position in shooting relies heavily on stability, muscle control, and precision. By mastering your body position, breathing, trigger control, and mental focus, you can significantly improve your chances of winning competitions. Consistent practice, both physically and mentally, combined with an understanding of environmental factors, will make you a stronger competitor.